Hello folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 235 Fox Mountain. It's one of our smaller fifth wheels built by Northwood RV up in La Grande, Oregon. Let's go inside, take a look at some of the features inside real quick. This little 235 is actually about 27 feet 10 inches in total length. It works great to take in county parks, state parks. It's one of the smaller fifth wheels out there on the open market. It's a great coach. It's got solid counter surfaces. You've got microwave, the hood fan, 3-burner stove, gas oven, the 10 cubic foot Norcold with the adjustable temperature for your refrigerator freezer. It's got great storage in it. You've got storage all through the coach. Spot here for your wastebasket, so it's not out in the open. Set of drawers here, drawer for silverware. Full bank of drawers. And then of course you've got 2 recliners in the back with a nice big back window. Storage over and above the chairs. Of course, ducted air conditioning. Nice booth that turns into a bed. Storage underneath your booth. Drawers that pull out. And there is absolutely no particle board in this trailer whatsoever. It's all plywood or marine grade decking on your roof. Nice pantry. Jensen LED TV with an AM/FM receiver with DVD built in. Let's step up into the bedroom area. The bedroom and the bath, your shower, glass enclosed shower with a skylight. Nice sink with vanity in front of it. The water closet with porcelain toilet and a window. The fantastic vent above. Also another fantastic vent here in the bedroom area. You've got a good sized wardrobe here with another set of drawers and shirt closets on each side of the bed. Plug-ins. Remote control for your fantastic vent. And of course, storage underneath the bed. It's all pre-wired to have a TV installed in the bedroom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior and go over some of the features on the outside. Nice grab handle going out. It's got the new aluminum steps. Electric awning. Outdoor speakers. These are actually Goodyear tires that are built in America. Your storage bay, the doors hold up with the magnets. Nice storage. Full pass-through. Your batteries, dual battery compartment. Storage in front. Your dual propane bottles are right here. Your other access to your storage bay compartment. Your docking station's right here. It's got a nice storage area, built-in rack for shelves. It's tall enough actually to put fishing poles in there. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is equipped with dual pane windows. We order all the Fox Mountains with dual pane windows. It's got the electric rear stabilizers. Spare tires mounted on the back, and you've got a ladder to access your roof. Folks, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. We've got this Fox Mountain and the other model it's built, which is the 256 RKS. We've got them both in inventory. Please give me a call. We can go from there.